You've been told that becoming a profitable trader takes years, that you need to blow a few accounts first, lose money for a while, go through the pain, and eventually, maybe, you'll figure it out. And if you haven't suffered enough yet, you're just not ready. Well, that's a complete lie. It's a lie that keeps traders stuck for way longer than they need to be. And honestly, it's one of the most damaging beliefs in trading. Because here's what happens. You struggle for a year and you think, that's normal, I'm just paying tuition. You struggle for 2 years and you think, I just need more screen time. 3 years and you start wondering if you're even cut out for this. But you never stop to ask, what if the struggle itself is the problem? What if the reason you're stuck isn't because you need more time, but because something in your approach is fundamentally broken? I spent a lot of time believing that trading would just click once I put the work in. Like if I spent 5,000 hours in front of my screen, everything would suddenly make sense. It wasn't until I stopped grinding and started questioning the whole approach when I finally realized I wasn't growing at all. I was on a hamster wheel. Lots of motion, but no progress. But the moment I found the right structure, everything changed. That's what we're going to break down in this video. Why you don't need to stay stuck this way for years, and how you can actually shortcut the entire process without all the trauma. And by the end, I'll show you how the timeline is way shorter than you've been told. Before we begin, quick disclaimer. None of this is financial advice. Everything I share is purely for educational purposes. So where does this belief even come from? Why do so many traders accept that years of pain is just part of the deal? Well, that's the story everywhere. And when you hear that enough times, you stop questioning it. You just assume it's true. But here's the thing. Most of those people saying it takes years are still not profitable. They've been going at it for years and they're still stuck at break-even. So why would you take advice from them? It's like asking someone who's been lost in the woods for a decade how to find the exit. They don't know. They've just been walking in circles long enough to sound like an expert. It's just a story that unsuccessful traders tell themselves to justify why they're still not where they want to be. And the dangerous part is, it gives you permission to stay stuck. Because if everyone struggles for years, then your struggle must be normal. But what if it's not normal? What if most traders struggle for years because they're doing something wrong, not because trading absolutely requires it? Because motion isn't progress, and effort doesn't compound in trading. Only the correct effort under correct conditions compounds. And once you apply correct directed effort, that's when the learning curve takes off the way it's supposed to. You're not just a prisoner of random results and strategies anymore. You're actually building something, because what you're doing is following a process. That's when you get real feedback. You get actual data on what worked and what didn't, so you have useful information to use in the future. That's how you make real progress and improve fast. But most traders don't have a real system. They have the tools, but they don't have the structure. So you end up with a bunch of tools and no blueprint. Because the truth is, trading is a very narrow skill. You're doing the same thing over and over. You find a setup, you execute it, and you manage the trade. That's it. The reason it takes most traders years isn't because there's so much to learn. It's because they're learning the wrong things. When you strip trading down to what actually matters, there's not that much there. You need to know where to look for trades. You need to know when conditions are right. And you need to know how to execute. If someone handed you a clear system with those 3 things locked in, how long would it take you to learn? Realistically, maybe a few weeks to understand it and get the hang of it, and a few months to get consistent with it, but definitely not years. So let's talk about the actual timeline. How long does this really take? When you're wandering with no system and no structure, it'll take years, if it even does work. But when you do, the timeline shrinks dramatically. And here's why. There are really only 3 phases to becoming a profitable trader. Phase 1 is understanding. This is just learning the system and the mechanics behind it. Knowing where to look, what to look for, and how to execute. If the system is clear, this shouldn't take longer than a college semester, maybe a couple of weeks. Trading is a narrow skill, so you don't need a lot of background knowledge or context to get good at it. It's not like we're learning rocket science or geopolitics. It's a few candlesticks on a chart that move around. Most traders stretch this into years because they're learning 10 different things that contradict each other. But when you're learning one cohesive system, it's just not that complicated. And really, it's not so much about the knowledge as it is about the framework. It's about building the right mental infrastructure from the start. so you know exactly how to deal with whatever the market might throw at you. I can't emphasize how important this part is. Let's say we're using the LCE model for this. On average, this system will take 1 or 2 trades a day, and on average, we return somewhere from 10 to 20 times our risk per month. So now you know what to expect. You're not just sitting in front of your chart, asking yourself, what do I do now? And that cures every symptom that plagues traders for years. Because to be honest, I could just give you the L part of LCE. I could just give you a grid of supply and demand levels and say, here you go. But are you magically going to trade perfectly? Probably not. So it's not just about the level aspect, it's about the confirmation and execution too. It's about the risk management rules. It's about knowing the system's typical results. Because that's what gives you the proper mental framework for this to actually function. It protects you against mental leaks like overthinking, overtrading, boredom trades, and whatever else might prevent you from becoming consistent. So that's the first phase. We want to gain the right knowledge and the framework that comes with it so that we are in the right position to actually scale. This part shouldn't take more than a few weeks of studying. Then we can move on to phase 2. Phase 2 is execution. This is where you actually start taking trades. You're going to be slow at first. You're going to miss setups. You're going to hesitate. That's normal. But every trade gives you real feedback. You can look back and say, I followed the rules and it worked. Or I followed the rules and it didn't. Or I broke the rules. That's how you improve fast. Compare that to trading without a system, where every loss just leaves you confused. You don't know what went wrong. You don't know what to fix. So you just try something different next time. And the cycle repeats. And when done properly, this phase takes a couple of months. This is purely about getting the reps in. You can't rush this part because some things just take time. It's kind of like if you're baking a cake and it takes 1 hour to cook at 400 degrees. If you try to rush it and cook it for 30 minutes at 800 degrees, you're just going to get a burnt cake. And what's worse is you have to make it again from scratch. So this phase is just about learning the ropes and getting in the market for real. It's essentially practicing after you move out of the theory phase. And this process should take no less than a few months. As you move toward the end of it, you'll realize that trading has essentially become a routine for you, and you're comfortable with almost everything. That's when you know you're ready to move on to phase 3. Phase 3 is consistency. This is where everything clicks. You're not thinking about the rules anymore. You see the setup, you take the trade, and you move on. It's just automatic at this point. And this is the phase that people think takes years. But here's the thing, that's only true if you skipped phases 1 and 2. If you don't have a real system, then yeah, you're just accumulating random experience. And random experience doesn't turn into consistency, it just turns into more confusion. But if you actually built the right foundation, and you've been stacking clean reps this whole time, consistency isn't some far-off thing. It's just what happens naturally. The mental battles start to fade. You're not fighting yourself on every trade anymore. You're not stressed out of your mind every session. You've seen enough, you've done enough, and now you actually trust the process because you've lived it. That's the strongest proof you can have. At this point, you'll notice trading gets boring, but in a good way. You're not on some kind of emotional roller coaster. You barely feel anything, regardless of what happens. Even a few missed trades or mistakes that would have been stinging you now suddenly don't faze you at all. So when you add it all up, a few weeks for phase 1, a few months for phase 2, a few more months for phase 3, you're looking at under a year. That's the real timeline when you know what you're doing. You don't need to blow a bunch of accounts and you don't need to go through a bunch of trauma. You just need a real system and the reps to back it up. By the way, if you want to master this system, that's exactly what we do inside the LCE Accelerator. It's a one-on-one program where you get weekly calls, a private chat with me, access to my exact supply and demand chart, and a community of traders who all follow the same system and hold each other accountable. We also have a live trading room where you can follow and trade with other LCE traders every day. The link's below if you're interested. And if this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.